This is your man Tete, aka Boom Boom. You don't know. Yes, fam, friends, and everyone who've been watching me. I did a video teaching about, I think, tone and the bass or slap, something like that. I had a question from one of the viewers that I should teach how to tune the kpanlogo drum. This is kpanlogo drum anyway from Ghana. Yeah. The shape is like conga, so we mostly like the roots, but the way we make it is different. And this kpanlogo drum is using the skin is antelope skin. Yeah, antelope skin. So quick, I want to teach how to tune the drum. First of all, the kpanlogo drum, you can see the sticks. So I have to, before you do something, you need to understand before you can do it well. If you don't understand, then you can do it anyhow you want. Yeah, it might be correct or wrong, but if you really understand, then it means you really are sure of what you're going to do. So you can see the stick. This stick, if you buy the new kpanlogo, this stick will at least this how long. Yeah, this how long. So it was a long stick. Yeah, but I've kept this drum for 15 years now, and the skin is still okay. I play. I'm a professional, so I do play a lot here and there. I don't keep my drums in the in the house. Yeah, the drum is always crying, but the skin is okay. Everything is fine, which means if you can tune it well and handle it well, it will keep very long. Beside of, other drums that maybe it gets broken so easily. Yeah, kpanlogo is kind of different. Yeah, so you can see the sticks, and these sticks, and this is just a rope attached to the skin and to the stick. So the more this sticks goes down, it pulls the rope, and whilst it pulls the rope, the skin stretches. So that gives that twin the skin, yeah, to different sound. Different sound means it's just low and it's little bit get high. Yeah, so you can hear the sound, right? This is tone. I'm just playing the tone, and this is the bass. This is the tone. The bass. Yeah. So since you know that this is the relationship between the skin and the rope and the stick, then you know what to do, right? Yeah. Let's take it like you playing two of kpanlogo, right? Which is, I have one more here, right? But let's focus on one. You just want to tune this drum, this kpanlogo, or you want to tune the sound to get little higher. Okay, you want to little higher. Then it's simple. First you have to hit the edge with this is This hammer, I think this is like hard. Is it hard plastic or whatever or some? Yeah. Sometimes it doesn't match. It doesn't goes with the wood. It bounces. Yeah. So you can get the metal one. Yeah, the metal one. Or sometimes use the banana bell. We have a bell called banana. Or you can use a mallet, like not rough mallet, some smooth mallet. So first you have to be, this is the sideways. You have to. Oh, I should have played for you to listen to the sound. Then when I just do only that, you will understand too. So only hitting this side, which will change. Only hitting this side will change the sound. Yeah. So first of all, you have to hit the edge. So let's go again. Like, this is the sound. This is the sound. So let's try. So I hit the edge. You make sure you don't take something to break the skin. You are only hit the edge. Don't get to the skin. Only the edge. Round. Not only one place, like you keep hitting one place. No, you have to hit it round. So if you can recall, remember the sound that we played before, then you can see. You see? Huh? This is like high, huh? Oh. Yeah, the sound has got higher. So this is what I mean. For those who just listen to it again, I'm going to, I play middle. The sound change again to low. Okay, let's try it again. So you hit the side. This is not magic, okay? It's just you tuning your drums. Sound comes higher again. So this is the first steps. The first step of tuning your drums. Okay, if you are not playing it for so much long and maybe very hard and like performing seriously, like me, when I go on the drums I go crazy. Okay, so but if you are not going much crazy, I think only hitting this side should be fine for you. Should be fine for you. But the thing is, if you hit only this side whilst you playing, at the middle of your playing, the sound keeps reducing little by little because you just hit the top. The top returns back again whilst you playing. Okay, so if I'll play seriously, you can see that the sound will be changing to its lower state, the way it was before we tune it. If you want to keep that high sound for very long time, maybe through your if you want to keep it through your performance, then that's the time you're going to now hit the stick, because now when the stick gets inside, it doesn't return back. That's why I told you, if you purchase new pan logo, maybe the stick might be to this side long, and little by little it goes inside. It will depend how fast you've been hitting your drums all the time. Sometimes maybe just few months, a year, all the stick, boom, is gone inside. Yeah. And then if you don't know how to do the drum, then you be stick over there. And sometimes when you hit it more, maybe one side, it you pull the skin, and this side will just boom. That's going to break out. The skin is going to break out. Yeah, it's going to tear apart. So note that side. If you want to keep the sound little higher, through your play, or you like that higher sound, the high sound, yeah, then you have to hit the stick. But make sure anytime you hit the stick, you have hitting this side, so you have to go one. Yes, you have to get time for the drum. Yeah. 1 1. You check your sound if it's good for you, because that's your drum and that's the sound you want. If this is good for you, then you stop. Then you keep it. You keep it. Then you play. If you think it's not enough for you, then okay, hit this side again. Hit this side again. Then you go one more. This is not the right one, so yeah. Then you can see this is little more higher than before. So it's your choice. If you think this is also good, then you keep it like this, and pop, you start playing your drums. So this is the way of tuning. Now the second, I think when I post this video, just leaving it like this, there would be a question again, which will be how to lose it. Since you have tuned the sound higher and you finish playing, you want to lose it. Yes, I told you, when the sticks get inside, it doesn't return. But I have my way of reducing my drums. First of all, if I'm playing like 5 or 6, I make sure the sound will be all the sound are going to be different. Yeah, will sound different. So I have to twin some, I have to lower some. So let's say this sound I've done, I've finished. So you can keep it like that and put it down. It doesn't matter. For pan logo, it doesn't do anything. After you twin, you perform, you finish. I think even after you finish performing, it has reduced a little bit. And you can just put it inside the bag and put it down. It's okay. But if you think you want to reduce, or maybe through your playing, you want to lower some of the drum, then this is how you're going to do in the middle of the drum. Okay, it's your palm. Okay, your palm, but you're going to use this side, because this side is just going to give you bass. Of course, you can do the bass, but this side. So if I just go one time, like boom, and it changes. If you want more low, you go once again, boom. Then here you if you want to get it, it's back again. So this is how you play with your drum. This is how you tune the pan logo. I'm not saying this the way I tune. This is because all this drum is made in my house in Ghana. Yeah, I know how to make it. Yeah, and I know how to. This is our family design and everything. So this is how I tune my, and this is how I think if you tune it, you're going to keep your drum for long. I don't preserve the drum somewhere special, yeah, but at the same time, I don't bring the skins. I keep it. It has been with me for long, and I still use it playing all the time for performance. So what about you, who is not performing here or there, but you just use it to practice and to enjoy yourself? You can keep it years and years and years and years. So this is how you tune the drum, pan logo. Just take a precaution. Make sure it's only a few things you have to consider. Don't hit one side. Don't hit just one side. Moreover, if you do that, this side, the skin, the wood, everything is getting inside, and it's going to pull the skin like that. And if you are not lucky, the skin is going to tear. Some pan logo are using goat skin. That is more easy to break. So watch out when you tune in your pan logo. Yeah, this is how you do it. Peace. Bye bye.